Welcome to the in front of me TCL 10 Tab Max, and I'll show you how to change icons shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So first, let's launch the Play Store application, and here in the search pool let's enter Icon Changer. And now we should get this application, so that's why tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. And then you'll see here all the available icons which you can change the applications. For example, let's use the contacts icon here. We can rename this icon if you want, but I don't want to do that. Here we have the library with one more moment please. So I'll show you here that we have the library with different icons. You can select one from these icons, or if you want to, you can use photo from your device gallery, the previously taken photos on your device camera, or download it from the internet, or you can use the camera application right now if you want. Or for example, I'll go with these icons. I'll use this contacts icon to our new icon here, and after that just tap here to OK on the right upper corner. Just wait a second. So let's keep the advice here, and now we can add automatically the shortcuts, and after that we can change the next icon by the same way if you want. Let's go to the home screen, and now we can see here the new contacts icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.